This video will walk through how to config AutoScaler for an ECS cluster. So the process for configuring an ECS cluster is very similar to the AutoScaled EC2 one. We're just going to go to ECS, add new, pick the region and the cluster that we want, and the autoscaling group name associated with that cluster. Then we pick our instance types and availability zones. It's good to put in different instance types such that you have a balance of CPU cost-effective instance types and memory ones. So let's add an R4 large and a C4 large. Slightly different than the AutoScaled EC2 case. You now specify both CPU and memory spare capacity. An AutoScaled will make sure you have both those resources available. Let's go ahead and rename this. And that's it. And we've now successfully configured ECS to be used with AutoScaler. It will start swapping out some of those instances based upon the load in the ECS cluster. And it will make sure that the most cost-effective set of instances are used to power it, regardless of whether it's CPU or memory constrained. And now we're starting to see some more savings generated. And that's how easy it is to set up AutoScaler for an ECS cluster.